and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going on a treasure hunt for our outdoor spaces, and the best part? We're doing it on a budget. We're diving into the wonderful world of thrifting and transforming pre-loved items into charming vintage decor for your backyard, patio, or porch. If you love finding unique pieces and giving them a new life, then you're definitely in the right place. The beauty of thrifted decor is that every piece tells a story. It's about seeing the potential in something overlooked and giving it a fresh purpose, adding character and warmth to your outdoor living areas. Let's look at some fantastic ideas for finding and transforming those hidden gems. First, look for old wooden chairs. Even if they're wobbly, they can be painted and then used as charming planters for flowers, or if sturdy enough, simply given a fresh coat of paint for seating. Vintage metal watering cans are abundant at thrift stores. Even if they leak, they make beautiful decorative accents or can hold a small bouquet of freshly cut flowers. Wooden crates or old fruit boxes can be stacked or arranged to create rustic shelving units for plants, garden tools, or outdoor dishes. A little sanding and sealant can go a long way. Glass jars of all shapes and sizes are perfect for outdoor ambience. Fill them with fairy lights for evening sparkle, or use them as simple, rustic vases for garden clippings. A sturdy old wooden ladder can be a fantastic vertical planter stand. Lean it against a wall and place potted plants on each rung. You could even use it as a towel rack near a pool. Old buckets, whether galvanized or enamel, often have great character. Drill a few drainage holes, and they become charming planters for herbs or your favorite flowers. For a whimsical touch, find vintage teacups and saucers. They make adorable, tiny planters for succulents or small, colorful blooms. Old picture frames can be transformed. Remove the glass, add some chicken wire for hanging small pots, or paint the back with chalkboard paint for garden messages. Wooden pallets are a thrifter's dream. With a little creativity, they can become vertical gardens, simple outdoor tables, or even rustic benches. Always check for proper heat treatment stamp. Old ceramic or glass bottles of varying shapes and colors look beautiful simply grouped together on a table or shelf, catching the sunlight. Antique garden tools, even if they're no longer functional, have wonderful character. Clean them up and display them decoratively on a shed wall or fence. Find old wooden drawers from a dresser. Clean them out, line them with plastic, and use them as shallow planters for herbs or a succulent garden. Vintage metal colanders or seeds are fantastic for hanging plants. The holes provide natural drainage, and they have such a unique look. Don't overlook old terracotta pots, especially those with a bit of chips or moss. Their aged look adds instant character to any garden. An antique birdcage, whether empty or holding a potted fern or small vine, makes a beautiful and intriguing decorative piece for a porch or patio. As you can see, giving your outdoor space a unique, vintage look doesn't have to cost a fortune. It's all about seeing the potential in those pre-loved items and having fun with the transformation. I hope these thrifted and transformed ideas have inspired your next outdoor decor project. Which of these finds are you most excited to live for? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more budget-friendly home and garden ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.